For much of analytic philosophy, logical form was supposed to pay this bill, and there is a much older dream sitting behind that. Go back to Galileo. Nature is this gigantic mess when you encounter it at the level of ordinary experience. Colors, sounds, appearances, things moving everywhere. But underneath that mess, something is supposed to be a structure you can get right. Mathematics gives you access to it. Galileo's inclined planes did not simply produce data. The ball rolls down Galileo's inclined plane. That looks simple enough, but what exactly did the ball teaches us? The ball itself does not separate its lesson from everything else that happened while it rolled. Its weight, the friction of the surface, the temperature of the room, imperfections in the wood, the particular afternoon in Padua. These all belong equally to the event as it actually occurred. Nature gives you the whole damned ball, the whole incline, the whole occasion. It does not underline the variables that matter. And that is where the philosophical problem begins to learn from the ball. Is already to select. You have to distinguish the dependencies that belong to the structure of the phenomenon from the indefinitely many regularities that merely accompanied this particular role. What experience teaches us? What does it rolls out? None of that can be known without knowing the faculties that are activated with the experiment. The transformation of the data into something that makes sense for us.